What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I'm doing some Berber carpet for a client. This was a last minute job that I got. The guy called me earlier today, gosh, probably around 1 o'clock, maybe a little sooner. And I was already basically booked for the whole day, but the reason why I'm out here is because I originally said I was booked out until November 12th or 13th. Today is October 30th, if you're not watching it the same day that it gets uploaded, which I should have later tonight, hopefully. So I decided to get it taken care of for him at this point and just stay out a little later. No big deal, not a big job, so I wasn't worried about it. Just the living room, hallway, and feather into the bedrooms. So not much, you know, under 300 square feet, I should say. So I took it on, and I did a little small synthetic area rug for him that had a bunch of stains on it. The kids playing on it and whatnot. And so he just left because he asked me if I had ate yet, because it is close to dinner time where I'm at. And I said, no, not really, just some chips. And he said, okay, well, what do you want? Because we got Taco Bell, Burger King, Jack in the Box, and all that around here. And I was like, oh, well, that's very nice of him. I don't really need much. To be honest, my wife is probably cooking something for my kids, and there's going to be something for me waiting. So he's going to get me that's just one small burrito. And see, that right there made me feel really good, because he obviously appreciates that I fit him in, even though it's kind of after hours right now. I believe it's around 5:30 at the moment, p.m. And so he obviously appreciated it. So, you know, just little things like that. You know, I know it's a bean burrito. It's like $1.50 or something like that. You know, not a big deal. But to me, that was really nice of him. You know, and honestly, that kind of made my day. I had a great day so far, not to say, but the fact that he just asked me if I wanted to eat something, and he was going to get it for me while I finished cleaning, was really cool. You know, so it doesn't happen all the time when you fit in jobs like this last minute, but it made me feel better about doing this for people, because all it takes is that one person to show appreciation for you coming out late and doing some work for them. And so obviously my whole point was, you know, you never know what you're going to run into, who you're going to run into and meet. If you don't have anything going on and you can get it taken care of for them in a timely manner, and it doesn't really bother you much to do so, you know, nothing holding you back from your regular day, then you might as well just get it done, because little things like that mean a lot to me, you know. And I bet he's gonna be leaving a nice review for me, because that was the whole reason why he called. He saw me on Google and saw that I was ranked higher than a lot of other cleaners in my area, so he chose me in hopes that I had some availability. So I worked with him and got out here to take care of his carpets for him. So now I have a new client in my hand that's going to be happy. I mean, I had only done about 30% of the job, and he was already offering to buy me some food and give me a tip, which is fantastic and very nice of him. So yeah, always do your best You know, even if it's you don't want to take after hours jobs like this, even though it's a small one, you know, I'm not gonna make a ton of money or anything like that, but that's not really the point. It's, you know, doing a good job is obviously a, you know, top 3 reasons, but also good customer service definitely fits in those top 3 for me personally. You know, if you got somebody that does an amazing job but isn't that good with customer service or isn't very personable, in the back of your head, or at least some other people I've met and myself, you're gonna wonder, like, I wonder if there's somebody else that does just as good of a job, maybe even better, that's easier to talk to or be around. And you're gonna probably end up using them if you find that person, right? So go into every job with a great attitude, and you have no idea what that will bring you until you make it part of your daily habits. Yes, today is going to be a long day. I'm probably not going to get home until after 7 o'clock, but that is perfectly okay, because the relationships that I'm out building and the clients that I'm gaining by doing so, sometimes it means more than just getting home to sit on the couch and do nothing, or whatever it is that I might do instead. So I figured, you know what, this is guaranteed extra money for me, you know, might as well get it done, get the night taken care of, create a happy client out of a Google, basically Google referral kind of thing, whatever you want to call it. Get a nice review out of it. Everything I've said is only going to make my company look better, right? So if you're even a multi-truck operation for Carpet Clean, or you're just one truck, you're owner-operator like I am right now, keep the same mindset, because you will grow. I don't have to hear this from a professional or somebody that has multiple trucks, and I don't care if they don't believe in what I'm saying or think or agree with it, but if you do all these things and continue down the same path with great customer service, do a great job, take your time, be personable, go over everything that you're going to do so they know what to expect from you, I guarantee you will have a steady incline of growth. Always be looking for ways to grow outside of what I've said, but as far as in person with somebody, even on the phone, do your best. Do everything you can to show the value that you're about to bring them in your service, whether you're a carpet cleaner or not, mechanic, any service industry. If you do that, they will have you back. Thank you. It's alright that I do some video, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
Awesome.
That's all trying to be quiet for.
Okay. This carpet kind of hides it really well, so it's hard to tell where I left off, but it's cleaning up. I could see it coming through my little sight glass on the front of my wand here. So that's what I love about this thing, is I know when to move along to the next spot, because it starts to go back to the normal color after I've hit an area. So thank you for that food. Stubborn spot right here. Almost out. Seems to be heated up. Then vacuumed. And it's gone. Awesome. A little more vacuuming and we'll be all set for this section. guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hit the like, subscribe, leave me a comment on what you want to see more of. Have a great day.